Welcome guys. On this tutorial I'll be working on move entities. This is from our previous work we did. So where we add this sketch. So now I'll click on move entities. Now here they'll ask for entities to move. Now I'll simply select this. I want to move just this. Under our parameters we have from, to, and XY. So what to work on? Let's work on XY. Now for the XY, I can simply click here to increase it. I click here to increase, which is going my X direction. Yeah, let me uncheck this to take out the relation with the boot shell. Now it's going my X direction. Let me move it to the Y direction. Let me bring it back. Then let me use from to. So as you can see, this is from to. So I've dropped. So that's the difference between from and to and XY direction move. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.